I've been having trouble sleeping next to my husband since he gained weight during the pandemic and started snoring loudly. We both agreed to lose weight, but he's gained more and refuses to go to the gym or track his calories. I've tried sleeping on the couch, but I'm a light sleeper and can't fall asleep easily. I've also tried using noise-canceling earbuds with white noise, but it didn't help. My husband is mad at me for making him sleep on the couch again, saying it's unfair and we should take turns. However, I don't think it's fair that I should have to sleep on the couch when I'm not the one snoring. I've lost 7 pounds while he's gained 10 pounds. I'm tired of being tired all the time and feel like he needs to take responsibility for his snoring. I've researched calorie counting apps for him, but he hasn't used them. I'm not sure what to do, but I know I need to get some sleep.